I'm Mandy Robinson with Outer Banks Realty Group, and I'm here today to introduce you to 768 Myrtle Court. This beautiful and almost brand new home was built in 2022. It features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a screened-in porch, a ground-level game room, a private pool, and a hot tub. The attention to detail and extra touches that the owners have put into this home leave nothing for a new buyer to do but enjoy it. If you or someone you know have been looking for a home in Corolla to call their own, this one is definitely worth checking out. Give me a call for more info or to schedule your own personal tour.